survival, with guns pressed to both temples, the gun of revolution and the gun of the state. Hardly anyone writes romantic verse or talks about the disturbing aspects of sexuality, because they are absorbed in writing the poetry of survival. This has resulted in criticism that contemporary Manipuri poetry is hemmed in by extreme realism. And maybe, there is of course the danger of the images above, that I just mentioned, images listed above, becoming hackneyed. And maybe poets should try to strike that fine balance between realism and reflection, as the Israeli poet Yehuda Amichai skillfully does in his poem, The Diameter of the Bomb. The opening lines of this poem read like statistics and a news report, that we often ignore as we go on with our daily lives. I quote lines from this poem. The diameter of the bomb was 30 centimeters, and the diameter of its effective range about 7 meters. And in it, 4 dead and 11 wounded. Unquote. But the lines that follow make us reflect on lives obliterated by violence. They reveal how violence transforms men and women regardless of nationalities, and also how such mindless acts make one reflect on the indifference of a God who, if he exists at all, should never have allowed his creation to be erased or reduced to an absurd drama. But poets also have to write about the here and now, and writing about it lends a sense of immediacy and vividness to their poetry. I call this the poetry of witness. Reviewing the Chinese emigre writer and 2000 Nobel laureate Gao Jingjian's work,